Number 1. Search directly inside sites with the OMNIBOX. You can search through many websites without actually navigating to them, as long as they are in your list of search engines. This trick is beneficial if you want it. For example, to go directly to the Wikipedia article on penguin without visiting google.com or Wikipedia's front page, first go to Settings, Search Engine, Manage Search Engine. There you will see your default search engine, other sites already available for quick searches, as well as the option to add other websites to the list. For quick Wikipedia searches, click Add under Manage Search Engines and add the site. Then the next time you type wikipedia.org in the OMNIBOX, on the far right you will see a prompt telling you to press tab to search within the site. And once you press the tab button, you will see Search Wikipedia written on the left side of the OMNIBOX. Type your query and Chrome will only search within Wikipedia. This function isn't specific to reference or search sites. You can use the OMNIBOX to search directly through nearly any site as long as it's included in your managed list of search engines. Chrome will automatically add these keyword searches to any site you visit. To do this manually, add this keyword to a query. For example, you want to see everything Forbes is written about Bill Gates, you could type Bill Gates site Forbes.com in the OMNIBOX and Google will return results from the site. Since the Chrome OMNIBOX functions just like the Google search bar, it also performs some of the same tricks. You can use the OMNIBOX to solve math problems, ask basic questions, perform conversions, and many other fun things without even need to conduct a search. Most people are familiar with the ability to drag and drop Chrome tabs in their own browser windows, or mix and match them between browser windows, but they may not know that it can be done with more than one tab at a time. Just hold down the Control key and click on all the tabs you wish to move, and you can move them as one. If you tend to have dozens of tabs open at any given time, you can quickly switch between them by typing the name of service or its URL in the OMNIBOX. On supported sites, you will see a switch to this tab notice on the right hand side. Click it to jump to that tab. If you are working with lots of tabs, need to keep certain ones open, and maybe want to make sure you don't lose something, consider pinning them to Chrome. Pin a tab by right-clicking on it and selecting Pin tab. This will push the tab to the front of the line and turn it into a small icon that saves a space. Now if you close Chrome and reopen it again, the Pin tabs will still be there. Have you ever mistakenly closed the tab? We all have, but thankfully you can get it all back. Just right-click on another open tab and select Reopen Closed tab, or press Ctrl-Shift-T and Chrome will reopen any recently closed tabs. You can keep hitting it for more closed tabs, working your way back through your browsing history. If you closed an entire window with all your precious pin tabs, open or click on a new Chrome window and select Reopen Closed window. If you ever need to read something quick on another tab, hold down the Control key and a number 1 through number 9. Each number is associated with a different tab, starting 1 all the way to the left and moving incrementally through 9 tabs as you move to the right. Chrome does a little bit of everything, like function as a multimedia browser for all your computer files. Do you have an image or media file you want to quickly check out? Drag it into Chrome and the browser will show you the image, play the video, or let you listen to the music. There's yet another cool way to get quick access to your favorite or most visited sites in Chrome. Plus, it looks pretty cool. You can get Chrome to display your bookmarked sites in the toolbar, but by deleting the site's name from the bookmark settings, the browser will just show the site's favicons, making for a colorful display along the top of your window. To get this going, you will first need to make sure you have the bookmarks bar displayed. You can check this by clicking the wrench icon, selecting Tools, and then ticking Always Show Bookmarks bar. Once you have done this, as you add new sites to your bookmarks, be sure to delete the text in the name box for a favicon only list. Just like your Windows PC, your desktop browser has its very own task manager, which you can use to monitor the various processes it is undertaking and how many resources each one is sucking up. To access it, click the three dot icon in the top right corner and select More Tools, then go to Task Manager, or you can simply press Shift plus ESC. The pop-up window will display all the plugins, extensions and tabs currently in progress, but you will also see how much of your browser resources each process is using, things like memory and image cache. If any appear to be causing a problem like slowing down or stalling your browser, you can close the window directly from the Task Manager. If you have a buddy or a workmate who uses Chrome, you can use the Developer Tools functionality to play a really clever trick on them. When on a web page, right-click and choose Inspect Element or simply press F12. This will split the screen to view the page code. In this view, you can select and overtype the text that appears on the page and replace it with wording of your own choosing, or even change measurements, colors, etc. if you have got a basic grasp of HTML. And that's all guys, thanks for watching.